Hello my viewers, just showing you that today I got done a few things. I went ahead and mounted the cabinet that I worked on at the house, if you saw that video. Got to put some trim in yet and everything, but I mean it'll be fine. I had a little bit of a casualty here, but I'm gonna have to fix this when I bring my staple gun here. Let's see. Okay, I also got a little bit more plumbing done today. I've got all the PEX run, okay, to where it's got to go, right here. I mean, so far anyway, you know. Now, like here, this is for the kitchen sink right here. Now this blue one here that you see running down along the bottom comes out over here, and that's going to be for the ice maker for the fridge. I still have to get an angle stop for this to go from 1/2 inch PEX A to 3/8 inch supply line, whether it's braided or just the poly pipe, whatever. So let's see, what else did I get done here? Oh yeah, this is, by the way, this is the main supply coming in right here for the water. So here, where the main valve is coming into the trailer, see, this is the PEX going inside for the main water supply. Now I went ahead and put a fitting here so that I can run cold water to the other bathroom when I'm ready for it. I just have this, I have a plug in here for the time being, so when I'm ready to do something with the other bathroom, then I'll pull the plug and run the pipe. So what I got in here right now, this is the cabinet here where the drawers fit in. I'm taking this home so I can work on it there. A little easier for me to work on it there, providing I got all the tools. So, and of course I've got the drawers for it right here. So that's my next step. So I'm back at it again. I bought another 10 sheets of drywall, and this stuff has really got me a little confused. This stuff is not blue, it's actually green. The other is this conflicting weather report I'm getting here. Okay, now it's supposed to actually hit, like, be in the 50s sometime today, and then I get other reports. Everybody's saying it's going to snow and all kind of weird stuff, or could snow or get weather cold enough to snow. Heck if I know what's going on. I'm about giving up. So I'm going to go ahead and just work until, it gets too cold for me. Right now it's about 40 degrees, so this is pretty good weather for me to do this. I'm going to go ahead and set up this camera here. Okay, well that's one piece of drywall in. Alright, now I have to put one in here in the back And I have to be sure that I cut a small hole towards the bottom from my water supply line. So that's another piece of drywall in. I used a small piece of plywood down here to sort of brace that half-inch PEX A, so that way it doesn't just kind of move about. I know that there are actual braces that you can get, but I don't really trust them. So this is the way that I decided to go. All I got to do now on here is put like an ankle stop or something like that on there, and I'll be ready to run water to it. All right. Okay, so there's drywall piece number 3. So I've got the drywall in right here in this corner where the toilet goes. Okay, so I had to go get some parts that I didn't foresee needing earlier. And so that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. You don't have to like the video, but I do appreciate when you subscribe and comment.